You start the fire. I'm trying to find what you like. I'm trying to find what you like.
Welcome back to V-La-Nessa. No, this is like a travel with me vlog. I am changing employers and I have a couple days to go. So I'm just gonna do like a weekly vlog. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first to know. And if you have not yet watched my New York vlog, wait on. If you have not watched my work vlog, what are you waiting on? Go and watch it. And for all of the H-2B, the J1s, go back to my playlist and watch them if you want to know more information about those stuff. And if you want to see the life of an H-2B in the US, all the struggles and all those stuff, subscribe. Now, today is Saturday. I'm supposed to work today, but I don't like to go to work and there's nothing to do. As I said before, the work that I have, oh by the way, I have my breakfast here. So this is my breakfast. I kind of try to make it a balanced meal, which is my fruits. This is orange and grape. I have avocado, I have my toast, and I have ham, and then turkey bacon right here and an egg, and then my green juice. So that's what I'm having today. My roommate is not here, she gone elsewhere. And guys, I'm going to tell you my struggles with my roommates, so stay tuned for that. My roommates, because I had more than one. On this job I had 3. And this is the last one because I'm leaving soon. I'm just going to tell you the struggles, and if you want to know all of my struggles, subscribe, stay tuned. I'm not going to tell the story until I leave here because I don't want no one to talk me in my face, even though nobody can talk me in my face. So yeah, I just feel like it's safer to just do it outside, like nobody not to fire me and all those stuff. And yeah, and really don't care. And I'm not going to put any name on it, I'm not going to put any face on it. I'm just going to tell you my struggles so that you guys can know that whenever you come up here, it's not all good and dandy. You have struggles that you have to face, and you just have to be patient sometimes and adjust yourself sometimes. So that's that. No, this video is basically me leading into leaving here to my new employer. I'm packing a box. I have 2 suitcases on my carry-on. I've almost done packing. The only stuff that I have out is what I need for this week. I am leaving Thursday, and I also want to go to a jungle park. So I'm trying to get my hair. I bought a hair, but when I think about it, I don't have the time to do my hair, and the person that's supposed to do my hair, she cannot do it alone. And I just decided that by New Year I'm gonna do passion twist, which is much more simpler. I don't need to trim up or hot water, just to cut the time in half. Alright, so I bought that last night. It's supposed to be here Monday. Hopefully it's here Monday. If it's here Monday, I can do it Tuesday night, and then I'm good for Wednesday, and then Wednesday I can go to the jungle place, right? And then Thursday is my flight. Wednesday I can do all my final preparations and all those stuff, give away what I already start giving away stuff. And I have my box here. They need to come and pick it up Monday. Yeah, so I'm basically on my way. My flight is, I think it's 7 hours, because I'm gonna fly to New York first and then go, which is kind of crazy because it's like I'm passing my stop to go back, but there's no straight flight, so that's what I have to do. And I don't want to take no train. I have 2 suitcases. I don't want to be struggling on Amtrak, so I'm not doing that. And I think it's limited to how much luggage you can bring. So I'm just going to take the plane. So I 3 days of work, and I'm so good. I'm so glad. And then I'm going to go to a new location. So I'm just going to bring you all with me, along with the plane, flight, everything. So stay tuned. Okay? Alright guys, so here I am actually packing a box. I'm gonna ship this off. I put like my bags, my shoes, stuff that I don't want to carry in my suitcase, and some clothes that I don't really need now. So I'm gonna send it to someone, and then someone's gonna drop it off with me. Presently, like, the place is a mess. Listen. You know it's not normal like this, but I am packing. So those are garbage, and that is to give away. This is my 2 suitcase and my carry-on. My bed is like this. So that's it for now. I am basically just organizing. So I'm basically just organizing, trying to figure out what I need to put in the box, what I need to put in my suitcase, and the things that I need for the week, because I'm here for another week. So I am leaving next week around this time. Well, I'll be in the plane already. So I'm just preparing. I need to pack the box so that I can ship it off before I don't have any time left. And I just need to organize stuff, throw away whatever I need to throw away, so that when the time comes, I don't have to be, look at the plane land on the water. Jeez, let me show you. Look, they're just cruising, and look at that. Hey, I'm gonna miss this place because of the view. Like, literally, that's what I'm gonna miss. Look at the thing going over to the hill, and I think they're trying to get a picture or something like that. That's what they're trying to do. Look at that. Wow. I wanted to go in a plane like that. Anyway, yeah, that's that. This is what I'm going to miss, the view. I'm going to miss the view, but new adventure coming up. So stay tuned for that. And I'm definitely going to miss the warmth. I'm going into the cold. I'm going to Virginia, for those who don't know. Like, today's so busy. On what day is today? Today's Thursday. Why the water so active today? Anyway, I don't know why I'm rumbling, but yeah, I am here listening to music and organizing stuff so that it can be easier on me when I am going to leave. If you know me, you know I don't like bags and pan, but I end up have 2 suitcases and 1 carry-on. God go with me. So stay tuned for another clip. Alright guys, so I thought I would do like this whole vlog of me preparing, packing the box and packing my suitcase and all this stuff, but no. But today is my last day, and I went and tell those who are close to me goodbye, and me give away me need to give away me tidy up the fridge, clean up the fridge and everything, like my part, so that the roommate now have nothing to say. You understand? I am packed already, and as you know, me ship down 1 box. I don't know when I do with so much stuff 1 year, and I accumulate so much stuff. Anyway, it's not only me people buy me things and so forth, so that is nice. Outside, like, very bleaky. It's raining, so the only thing I have to do is like put my blanket and my cologne in the bag, but I'm gonna use that tomorrow. So yeah, I went and do my nails. I did it natural. I did the dip method, and I actually like it because it feels stronger. It feels like it is my nails, but it feels good. I like it, and it doesn't cost that much. So I did the dip method, and I love it. Natural, no polish, just the acrylic. So yeah, it's natural. Did my hair this morning, so that is that. Tomorrow my flight is 11 o'clock, and I'm not going to reach until 6 because I have a connecting flight, and we actually go past me stop past the place and then take one next plane and come back to the place. We don't see if that makes sense, but they don't have no straight flight to the place. So that is that, and then they're going to pick me up. It's basically 16 minutes to the location. I'm not going to start work same time because I'm going to take a break, you understand? And I'm kind of glad because I need to talk to you guys. I have stuff to tell you, so I'm going to take that time and to focus on me and do some brainstorming and get some content out there. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, my work vlog is going to be out. So by the time you see this, you already done long watch it, gone long time, because I have about 2 videos for edit before this order. But yeah, So that is that for tonight. I am excited because I'm going to a new place, meeting new people, and yeah, just new experience. And they want me back here. Like, me kind of have a bittersweet emotions. Like, I never like the place and they know me like the place and they know me I leave. It's like me don't want to leave. And yeah, but the thing is, if the money they right here, so I would definitely stay, because you know that's stressing to me. Like, I am totally fine, and the manager is asking me to come back next year, and they're looking for me next year. And I said, hey, if you're giving me the manager position, obviously if I get more money, yeah, obviously I will come back. But let's see. So see you in the next clip.
Yeah, nothing lasts forever. You know that.
Alright guys, so now I'm here at the airport, and I'm gonna go to my terminal, and yeah, you told me carry my bag go way down this, so I don't way up here, so I have to walk. I hope me not lose my bag because I'm not able. Yeah, I'm just saying that we reach at the airport and I got my terminal. So I'll catch you back in the next one, okay?
Every day's a different thing, so I'm not into wedding rings. It ain't personal, it's the way I think. Yeah. You know it, nothing lasts forever, and you know it, yeah, that a change will make it better.
Alright, so I am sitting down waiting because I'm like 1 hour early. I don't know why we Jamaican always reach early. One thing we're not gonna late for are flights, because when I catch feeling to catch flights. But my journey in Miami was great. Yeah, I had some difficulties and some issues and so forth. So I'm sure that you would have seen the video. I don't know if it's gonna come out after this or before this, but if not, stay tuned. If it has, the link will be up here. So let's watch it and then you see. But I just want to give out a big shout out to Christine K. Yeah, Christine actually like literally wake up just to tell me bye and help me struggle with my suitcase. So big up to yourself. Kay is the one who actually got me this job. That's all I'm saying. It's good and bad. Every workplace have good and bad. And I actually enjoy my time here in Miami. And I would come back. Like, literally I will come back. Just some things that need to change, but no issues. So I'm just gonna wait here until my flight gets here and catch up with you. Yeah. So new journey. Stay tuned. So I'm here saying that I'm going to get something to eat. And I'm never say like contain the KC, like in Jamaica. But I'm hearing this song.
Right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go. 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 So I'll go anywhere. So I'll go anywhere.
elusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild,
It's 28 before us, so no traffic.
we know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got the time for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion.
I've never seen a place like this. So basically you enter your card information right there, and then you pick up anything and walk out. You don't have to go to any cash register. Just put your email in and it will email you your bill. So that's it. Final plate for final destination. So let's see how this one goes. So stay tuned guys, and yeah, new journey, new experience, new people. New beginnings.
Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom.
Alright guys, so I have reached the final airport, and I'm here waiting on my drive. Literally could I just take Uber and I could have just 16 minutes, but they said they would have dropped, they would have picked me up. But guess what, I am here and them they reach it. I have no contact with them. Email the people them, they give me an email like what? Like why would I give me an email? But I guess that's how they do things. So hopefully she gets here soon. Just coming with this impatient, so things happen. Now probably she even the year away from me, I don't know if you contact me either, but let's just see how that works out. So it's an intern, so let's see how that goes. As I said, she have like somebody pick me up with me here with them my name on a card or something like that. So I'm still here waiting. Like I don't understand some people sometimes. I literally don't understand, because you ask them for a contact, they give you an email address. How reliable is an email address? Like to get like instant response, that don't make no sense. But I guess that's how it is. Like even the workers them come and leave. Everybody come and leave, but I'm still here. It's like under 1 hour still, but I expect I'm supposed to reach here because it's just 16 minutes away. And literally could I just take a Uber? I could have just taken an Uber. And I have no contacts. I try calling the office. Nothing. try calling the office, try email the girl, try email the other person, nobody. I don't know, maybe they're waiting on me somewhere else and I am waiting on them. But like, I would provided a phone number so that it can, a phone number is more reliable. That's all I'm saying, but it is what it is. I hope the season doesn't end like this, or it starts like this. Well, let's see where it goes. Let's see. It's just a slight hiccup for the best to come, okay? Keeping positive. Talk to you soon.
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same, feel the same, feel the same? Imagine if we did it right. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I just reached my location. Other person is here. The place, as I said, they never really prepare for me, but the place is okay. I'm gonna put my touch to it soon. It's good that it's not that dirty and whatever. There's a kitchen, there's a dining area where you can watch TV and all those stuff. So let me just show you a quick overview. So this is the kitchen. This is the little dining area, the living area. You can see that they drink a lot. Yeah. So that's that. The kitchen. Pantry. People things. My suitcases. What's this? It's so dusty. Laundry. Thank God enough to pay for laundry. What is in here? Storage. This is the door to get out. What's this? Sheets and pillows and stuff. That's well, I don't understand. There's no light in here. Like, I don't understand. How can you not have light? The only light that is here is this. This doesn't make any sense. So this is the only light we have, I guess, for now. So I'm gonna take this bed. I go move the one here, put it over there, so I move the one over there, so then do whatever. So that's the bedroom for now. So start out it. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just gonna get situated and just tidy up the place, because you know, when you reach somewhere and make it more homey. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We have drawers, can put stuff, and I have stuff that can hang there. So there's two person in the bed in the room. Make sure someone take that side and give them that side. I'm stuff them over there so that they can hang their stuff. Me have over there, so whatever. But as I'm saying, I think we need a light in here. I don't like the light there. Too dark. I don't know why they don't have the light in here. I don't get it. But I want to get myself situated and then see what I can do to clean up the place and something. It's not good. I guess I have a whole lot of cleaning to do, because I ain't breathing in this bathroom like this. Like, awesome. I'm breathing in the bathroom like that, so I'm gonna clean that. So I'm gonna vacuum the room, dust down the room, fix up the bed, clean in the bathroom, and overeat something. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, this is one of the things that you need to do, and maybe you have to do it, but sometimes you don't have to. I just got here and I literally clean, you know, more and everything, but as a Jamaican, you know, so we like to keep our place clean and nice. So me clean out the room, couldn't find any vacuum, so I used the broom, and the mattress is not as firm and nice like the one at Mandarin. So what I did was to pad it up with blanket, sweep out in there and spread my bed. You know, little later on I make it more roomy. I want to know that I'm not sure if here is where I'm gonna stay because the girls over that side is gonna leave soon and realize that when the boys they're here right now. So that's that. I'm in the bathroom now, cleaning, like scrubbing like crazy. Place dirty. I cannot use the bathroom like that. For me, the kitchen and the bathroom need to be the cleanest thing in the house. So that's what I'm doing. You know, all that dirty, you know, but it just, the bathtub is actually dirty. It's like someone took a bath and then never wash out the hair and then the whole soaps come and everything. But yeah, we're not bathing in there, we're not using the toilet like this, so I'm literally scrub around the place. That is what I'm doing right now. Now for some places that you don't have to do all these stuff, but for some places you do this. And as I say, the place is not that dirty. I'm actually impressed knowing that it's J1 student that is here and was here because they're leaving now. It's like a transition, so I'm impressed because normally J1 students so that's what I want to do right now. I don't have any clothes, so I just have to do what I have to do.
This world needs some space for me. I'm out here, girl. I'm back up in the street, so I don't really got time to fuss.
Right, so I see what's the problem is. The problem is the old cloud they want to be rent or whatever. So I'm planning to get some that I don't know how that I will cook right now. See that? I'm gonna walk in again like that. That doesn't make sense. I know the water don't drain out, so I guess that's why in here the bathtub so dirty. And now we understand, so I guess you have to buy something now to burn out whatever is clogging up the hole. So that now will work for me. Can you see that? Alright, so get the tough part out. I fixed the whole thing, use a plunger, and yeah, I'm getting there. Almost there, so I need to go and buy a new shower curtain because that can't work. And I know it's a shared bathroom, but for now I just want to be comfortable, sorry. And if we can just take up on the $5 thing, then it's okay. Look at the difference. See that? Yeah. So it's in there. Look at me. Wait up. Same clothes and wear. Come over myself. Not even. Listen. Look. Been cleaning. Done. They're gonna be like, wow. Yeah. So don't make fish, you know. They clog up still. So I hope say it keep clean. So I'm just gonna done and then see. Oh, I ordered something to eat. So stay tuned. I'm gonna stay tuned, but yeah. Alright, so done with the bathroom for now temporarily. This is okay to shower in for the night. Yeah, you know each day you need to get new shower curtain, maybe bathroom mat and so forth. So here you go. It's shower curtain there, but look down this one. No sir. I'm gonna take it off right now because you know you need to you need something to keep the water from coming out, so that is why I'm leaving like that. But I can shower for now, so I'm just gonna tidy up here, so, and then that's it for the night. And then my food is here, so I'll tidy up this, shower, and then that's it for the night. I'm gonna have to do something about the lighting in here because we only have one little lamp. That not gonna work. That not work. You understand? So it's supposed to be night mode, bedroom mode, but that not gonna work. So yeah, so now just done shower, done clean the bathroom and everything, and now it's time to relax. One thing me I gonna miss at the TV, and I feel like I'm gonna buy one. Feel like I'm gonna buy one. Me understand say yes, I'm gonna work and whatever, but sometimes you want to unwind and me just don't want to use my phone and my laptop. So yeah, so I bought Chinese food. I could have eaten it in the kitchen, but I eat it in this. I'm sure about venessap clean. As I say, oh, this is not so dirty. I'm buy shrimp, fried shrimp. So this is special chow mein, which is noodles. So it comes with chicken, shrimp, and beef. There it is. Oh. Yeah. So that's that. So this is what I'm gonna eat. So you have the chicken, shrimp, and beef. You have the chicken, shrimp, and beef. So I'm just gonna dive into this and then eat my shrimp balls. I already start biting it, but normally I take off this and just eat the shrimp water because it's too much flour. Just now I just take off the flour and roll it, and then sometimes I just suck up the whole heap of hair. So this is my first meal here. Let me taste it. It looks bland like it missing something, but let's see. Let's see how it's supposed to taste. I can eat some and I'll eat some later, tomorrow. So I'm just gonna eat this and then get back to you next week, maybe tomorrow. So guys, guess what I discovered? Because I am like, when I have an even have a closet and you don't have a light in there. So I was just looking and I saw a switch bottom light. So guess what? At least there's a little bit more light in here. I wish like this light was out there because I don't know why do they. Can somebody please tell me why American make rooms like this? We like light, please. We're protesting for light. We want light. Light we want. Light we want. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can find my toothbrush, my laptop, and just relax. And that's it for the night. So peace. Good morning, guys. So it was my first night sleeping in this house, and it was okay. I didn't go to my bed until 2, and I woke up like 7 o'clock this morning. And not to say that I cannot sleep or I couldn't sleep, because I normally do that on a regular anyway. So, but you guys saw that I padded the bed and it was comfortable. Last night I slept and yeah, I had no issues. But I got up and I showered and I'm going to head to Walmart. I know I could have probably called them to bring me or whatever, but I just feel like I want to do it on my own because I don't want nobody rushing me. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a separate video for how I organize the closet and those stuff. So stay tuned for that and organize the room. I'm going to buy a few stuff, but I'm not going to go overboard. I'm just going to make like my little section comfortable, make sure that my clothes is in the closet properly and stuff. So I'm gonna get a shoe stand and like whatever. Yeah, we don't have much furniture in here, so that's an issue. But thank God we have a closet. But I have like stuff that I need to put in. So what I'm gonna do is probably get like a storage container or something like that. I was thinking about getting the TV, but I'm gonna wait until the roommate come and see what she say, because I don't know. And it all depends on the cost of the TV. If the TV is cheap, then I buy it for myself, because when it makes sense to buy it for myself, then I go in a tug and war with somebody over the TV. So when it's mine, nobody can in a tug and war. And there are buses. I don't know the buses routes. I'm just gonna use Uber. I don't know why I'm talking with my hands, but yeah. Guys, don't you just love my nails? Because this place said that they don't want no nail polish, so I tried to go as natural as possible, and I did the dipping method, and I actually like it. It feels strong. It even feels stronger than when they put acrylic on your nails. So I think this is what I'm gonna start doing, and it practically costs the same thing. And I don't have any lotion, so I need to buy lotion, I need to buy water, or I need to put that on this. I have a whole list. Still updating the list, like I just start, but I'm trying to get the necessary stuff on there. And I know that I need to buy food. I don't know how the storage gonna go, but that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't think I'm gonna walk around like guys, it's like I was so excited coming here alone, and now I wish we have somebody who could just walk with. I don't know if you understand, but yeah, because even though I go out alone, it's like I'm still afraid to go by myself. I'm really afraid, and I just need the company sometimes. But time with us is my first day. So alright, so I just booked the Uber. The Uber cost $24.11 for a 20 minutes ride. That's like $3 in Jamaica. But them say you're not supposed to do it like that. But that's how I always do it. Always calculate it. Like when I buy food last night, and it was what, $28? $3 for one food. Anyway, I'm just gonna grab my bag and my jacket and head out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pack all the stuff in here since it's empty. The oil cannot hold, so I have to decide where I'm gonna put that. There's a shelf in there. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet, but that's basically what I'm gonna do, is pack away these stuff and then organize. Like and then I need to clean up the sink and season out the meat and put it away. Yeah, because but I don't think I'm gonna season up the meat today. But I think many if season it today, because there's not much space in the fridge, and you know, just make time easy, because I don't want it freeze and then I have to do that again. So I'm gonna just pack away the stuff in and start all that later. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pour the sugar. Already clean. So that's what I'm doing.
Want you every way, need you every day. Baby, don't you hesitate. Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Think I'm tired of being broken. Thinking love is just a waste of time. The higher that I'm hoping, the quicker that I fall. And I guess I want it to be easy, but it's never ever easy. I always end up let down. Take all my love, this is tragic. I could replace it with plastic. Think maybe then I'd be fine. All these skeletons strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always cry. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Over all of these emotions, getting dizzy, roller coaster ride. Lock the door and keep it closed, yeah. Better off if I just stay inside. Cause I want it to be easy, but it's never really easy falling till I'm upside down. Take all this stuff, you can have it. I could replace it with static. Think maybe then I'd be fine. All these skeletons living in a chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always cry. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Skeletons living in a chest.
Alright guys, so I decided that I'm going to cook my vegetable salmon and mashed potato. Never cooked salmon before, so if you want to see me do something, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to show you because this is not cooking. Just to tell you what I do. Drop me the, you understand? Yeah, so I really look big, so I guess no. I'm going to cook salmon. So tell me, you take off the skin. You take off the skin, right? I'm going to cook salmon and mashed potato for dinner because I really need to clear my head. Alright, so the salmon in the thing, I want it to get brown on both sides. Alright, probably just one side. I'm gonna mash those, the corn is in there, and cut up the seasoning. It's gonna be like a garlic butter salmon thing. Now watch the knife, I'm come see it. Yeah, so that's the pre and then we need to clean up the place. I use coconut oil. So it's gonna be like a coconut buttery garlic salmon. And the first time I did salmon, so shut up. Okay? We don't say enough to take long. 5 minutes on both sides. Okay. Just want it to get brown so that I can use the sauce and infuse in it. You understand? Okay. Okay. So let's go back. Kinda like it like this. Not really too brown. So I'm gonna take it out of the pot now and then do this garlic sauce and then put this back in there and let the juice absorb in it. Today I'm going to be a big chef and the first meal is salmon.
You got me, it's lucid. I'm so high, up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that, don't back down. No, you talk back, keep it spicy. There's a
Alright, so done. And it tidy up. Back beneath wipe off because I don't know what I mean. It's not hopeless, I'm gonna wipe it off. But yeah, I'm finished. So this is the food. That's the salmon and the juice. Is it this wet? No pain no mind. So I don't know what I'm going for them pear, but yeah. Pear, Irish potato and salmon. So what you see on here is garlic. So it's actually garlic butter salmon. So yeah, that's let me do a taste test. And if it tastes bad, I'm gonna tell you. Just know that. I mean, I really didn't fancy salmon like that, but let me do a taste test. Let me do a taste test. You can stop buying more salmon now. Yeah, man, it's nice. You know, however you cook the salmon, never cook it. It tastes really good. Not exaggerate that. Nice. Salmon is really flavorful. Tastes really good. So I'm gonna finish with this, the shower, and straighten about the room. We're not gonna pack out today or anything, and leave that final day. So that's that. I'm just gonna finish this. I'm so happy for this. You know, I want something different. I'm totally happy for this. The corn sweet and nice. Hey guys, so I went to Walmart and I got some stuff for the bathroom, just like cleaning agents and a shower curtain. So I'm going to show you that, and I also tidied the kitchen. It wasn't bad, but I just tidied up that. So I'm just going to show you that and close out the vlog because I need to start another one. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the end product of how I cleaned the bathroom and the kitchen. Just the final. It's not really the final, but the final for now. Okay.
Tattoo on my mind, body in my bed. If you say the night, don't get in your head. Riding through the stars, you can catch your breath. I'ma give you something that you never gonna forget. Lay your body down, I'll make it easy for you. Screaming like you never been touched before. Moving like we never made love before. We don't got a color in the lines of what we're told.
Yeah, so that's basically it. I tidied the kitchen and the bathroom and I make it more homey. Spread this bed, but stuff there is on it because and my bed is over there. Yeah, I have not yet started on the room because as you can see the closet is still jumbled. These are all the stuff that I bought from Walmart, and you can check my next video to see the grocery haul. My suitcase and stuff is not yet packed out, so we just kind of tidy the place a little, sweep out the room and spread the bed. But as I said, I have stuff on it, so let me just show you. So I have not yet spread my bed. Every morning I spread my bed. This one I just have stuff on it and that. I also got this in Walmart, and I got this laundry basket. So that's it. That's just it for now. I am presently editing or sorting out the clips, and it's the reason why my bed is like this. But yeah, you know, me always spread my bed. But that's just the end of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Yeah, so if you reach this far in the video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Okay, bye.